How to fix Geenie camera not connected to Wi-Fi. If your Geenie camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi and you're looking for a solution, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix that issue and get your camera up and running. So let's jump right in. First, let's make sure we're on the same page. Open up the Geenie app on your phone. Before we do anything in the app, let's check a few things. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. Check if other devices in your home are connected to the internet and ensure that your Wi-Fi network is running smoothly. Also, ensure that your Geenie camera is within range of your Wi-Fi router. If it's too far away, the camera might struggle to connect. Now, if your camera still isn't connecting, it might be a good idea to reset it. To reset your Geenie camera, press and hold the reset button on the camera for about 10 seconds until the light on the camera starts blinking rapidly. Once the camera is blinking rapidly, that means it's ready to be set up again. Now head back to the Geenie app, tap the plus button in the top right corner to add a new device. Select your Geenie camera from the list of all devices. The app will ask you to connect to the camera to your Wi-Fi. Make sure your Wi-Fi is a 2.4 Hz network, as Geenie cameras don't support 5 Hz networks. If your router broadcasts both, make sure you're connecting to the 2.4 Hz network. Now, after entering your Wi-Fi details, tap next and the app should start connecting to your Wi-Fi. It might take a few moments for the camera to connect. Once connected, the camera should show a solid blue or green light and the app will confirm that setup is complete. And that's it. You should now have your Geenie camera connected to your Wi-Fi.